In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Make. We're going to connect Make with Calendly so you can list your Calendly events inside a Make scenario. I'll walk you through each click, explain what's happening, and share a few tips to keep things smooth and secure. Start by opening your Make dashboard. From there, create a new scenario. This is where your automation will live. When the canvas opens, click the big Add button to insert your first module. In the search bar, type Calendly, then select the Calendly app from the results. Choose the List Events module. This module pulls in your scheduled events so you can use them in workflows, filters, or downstream actions. Make will now ask for a connection. Click Create a Connection. You'll be prompted to authorize Calendly so Make can read your events. If you're naming the connection, pick something clear so you can recognize it later. Click Save to continue. You'll need an API token from Calendly to complete this connection, so let's grab that next. Open Calendly in a new tab and go to Integrations and Apps. In the search or navigation, look for API and webhooks. Here you can generate a personal access token that Make will use to authenticate. If you have permission options, use the least access needed, typically read-only for listing events. Generate the token, copy it, and keep it secure. Don't share it publicly or store it in plain text. While you're in the API area, locate your organization URI. This identifies your Calendly organization and ensures the connection points to the correct account. Copy the organization URI, then return to Make. Back in the connection window, paste your Calendly API token where requested and provide the organization URI in its field. Review the details, then click Save. This confirms the connection and allows the List Events module to fetch your data. At this point, your Make scenario is set up to pull events from Calendly using the List Events module, authenticated with your token, and tied to the correct organization via the URI. If you plan to expand the workflow, you can add filters to narrow down events by date or status, or chain additional modules to send notifications, update a CRM, or log entries in a spreadsheet. Remember to keep your API token private, rotate it periodically for security, and update the connection in Make if you ever regenerate the token in Calendly. That's it. Your Calendly events are now ready to flow into Make for automation.